Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you the news and interests bar. Now, I know I already did a whole video about it. I'm going to be suggesting it right here in the top right corner of the screen. But that was a little bit of a less detailed video. Today I'm going to be showing you more things about it and some extra things as well. So let's get started. So obviously, in order to get your news and interest bar, you just go down here on the bottom right corner and you just go here, click, and obviously it tells you the weather and if it's sunny or maybe windy or something like that. And obviously this is what we have right here. We've got your stock region right here, the part where it shows you the stocks, companies, and how much their stock has increased. Obviously, the big companies, Tesla, Costco, that's probably Chevron, so on and so forth. Obviously, some additional news, top stories. Yeah, you can also get rid of them if you want to. I don't want to see this one, for example. Yep, there we go. You can undo it if you want to, or personalize even the feed. And we've got here some games. So if I enter this one, we could just, it's just going to get us to the game that we have selected, which was in that case Microsoft Sudoku. But I'm obviously not going to enter it right now. Here it shows you the traffic, stuff that is going on in the traffic, moderate traffic, construction 3, road closures 6, and some traffic stuff. You can just view that on the map. Obviously, it tells you the weather here in which part, and you can also edit the location of where the weather you want, what location of the weather, and you can also change the unit from Fahrenheit to Celsius or vice versa. You can also hide the weather card, of course, show additional settings, and give a feedback regarding this specific part. Now, in Windows 11, I'm just going to add a little bit of a thing I'm going to show you. In Windows 11, it comes in this part right here. This thing goes right here, and it's actually not called the news and interest bar. It's called the widgets bar now. So that's just a little bit of an additional news for all the people out there that have Windows 11. Okay, let's go back here very quickly. Okay, now let's talk about this part right here. Now we've got the settings of the whole entire news and interest bar. Here it is, English, United States, and also the content. So this is US content. Most of it, as you can see, a lot of it is American content. Maybe I can do United Kingdom content, for example. Anything like that. Let's do United Kingdom content. Okay. And it's going now to just restart everything. Great. And we're going to do some notification settings, location, manage interests, privacy dashboard, etc., etc., etc. We can't get into all that stuff. This video again will say for an hour. We've got our accounts right here. You can also refresh the feed, and we can see additional news if you want to. So yeah, this is a very useful news and interest bar. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye.